Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this video is for Friday, 10/17/08, Rocktober. It has been a rocky Rocktober, as you've seen, but I thought I'd give you an update. It's middle of the day on Friday, and I wanted to just say something that I noticed happening. First off, I put a chart up on my Emini S&P recommendation last night, Thursday night, for Friday's trading. That chart, I put up a formation, I circled the formation, and I said that this particular formation could actually produce a rally today on Friday. The market rallied about 15-20 points, but I sold into it. We sold into it, it dropped lower, we took our profits. We sold into it again, it dropped lower, then it turned around and stopped us out. But my point behind this video is to let you know something. Sometime in the middle of Thursday evening, I started to just between watching the TVs, listening to people, and going through a bank and listening to what I heard, out of nowhere, there seems to be this calm just coming across the markets. I mean, we're being felled by this calm out of nowhere. TV land has stopped panicking. I heard someone in the bank saying, hey, I'm putting my money back in the bank. I feel safe now. And there were other people online in the bank chatting about the same thing. At the same time, I was sitting there telling my son, let's go open up a bank account for you and put all the money that you got in your little Scooby bank in the bank. What I'm trying to say is there seems to be this collective, I don't know, maybe call it a collective thought pattern that seems to be crossing the traders across the globe, and everyone seems to have stopped panicking. And if that's the case, traders, if the calm I'm feeling with the people who are trading, I'm getting it out of the people in the chat rooms, I'm telling you, I'm even seeing it in charts, there's some sort of a calm crossing the nation and crossing the world. The banking industry's debacle seems to just be out of people's suggestions right now as they're trading. If that is the case, I think we can actually get a rally. Now, hey, no matter what happens here, don't fall in love with the upside. You know how I feel about that. But you may get a chance to give this thing a little peck on the cheek in the next few days. Friday's beginning to rally already. It looks like I'm going to turn into a buyer of dips today and no longer be selling the rallies. And I want to just show you very quickly the chart that I left out on Thursday night for Friday on my site to warn people that this very well may happen. Let's go look at the chart and I'll come right back to you. Okay, traders, you are looking at the very same chart that after doing homework Thursday evening for Friday's trading, I noticed a formation and I said, boy, oh boy, let's look at this. It caught me and it struck me to the point that I had to actually, and I've been bearish all week long, I had to actually put this on my site and say, this particular formation could actually produce a rally on Friday. Let's allow it some time to set up direction before we trade it. Lo and behold, traders, that was before this green bar that you see here was there. This bar didn't exist. We were down here. What I noticed is that we put in this low, rallied up, came back down, put in a higher low, then opened up on Thursday evening for Friday and started to show some upside. With that in mind, I said, wow, that to me looks like a bullish pattern. Indicators have turned and are pointing up. And the market sentiment I just told you about, and I didn't call people and I'm not looking at market sentiment indicators. I'm listening to the street, I'm listening to the people who trade, and I know what I can see and what I can feel coming from charts. And I don't know what to call it, but I think we're going to get a reprieve rally here. Now, traders, I am not saying the bottom is in. I am not a trader that can just flip from bull to bear without the markets telling me I need to become one. But I will say that it looks to me like we're going to get a couple of days rally here. Now, there's a trend line sitting right here, which comes in right in the 90s. That's the 990s. If we take out that trend line, there's no reason why we can't get to the 1170s, traders. That could very well happen. Again, you trade what you see and not what you think. If the indicators continue to look bullish and this formation continues to hold and we break above this trend line, I think we'll be a buyer for a few days. I want you traders to do your homework on that. Look at the NASDAQ, look at the S&P, look at the Euro, look at a lot of markets that are just suddenly changing direction. I would also tell you to go look at some Chinese markets, look at the Hang Seng Index. Then go look at a couple of Japanese markets. Maybe you look at the Nikkei. You can look at the DAX. You can look at the CAC. You can look at the FTSE. You'll see that same action in all of those charts. I find it interesting. Let's see what happens. Do your own homework here. So, you see that chart, traders? That is not a warning to tell you, get back in your 401k, everything's bullish. That is not what I'm trying to tell you. We are traders. We trade the technical analysis. But I am telling you that there is some sort of weird feeling to this move. The indicators are, for 2 days now, have been asking for higher. And it is a Friday in a bear market. And with all the disaster that we've had, I started off shorting this market to test and see if this is going to be right. From what I'm seeing today, yes, traders, who knows? Hey, maybe we'll get a couple of upside days. We can play the upside. I'm getting tired of selling anyway. I bet you guys are getting tired of selling out there. Maybe, just maybe, we'll get our chance to buy. I will look at markets over the weekend. I will certainly do my homework. I will be there Sunday to check the markets again in the chat rooms, and I'll let you know if we have a chance to get long. Let's see what's going to happen. Traders, we have the whole afternoon to get in this market, so make sure you're ready. Make sure you're in my chat rooms. If you don't know where to go, come on down to www.livewithoscar.com. Grab yourselves a free membership and get in those open chat rooms so I can help you with the direction that's coming next. All right, traders, I got to get back out there. My chat rooms are waiting. The markets are waiting, so I got to run. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best ways I can help you to do this is to tell you to say this to yourselves every morning, every year. Oh boy, I can't get it out today. I'm too chart-minded. Every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.